Welcome to the Collision Repair Education Foundation Job Skills video series. In this video, we will learn how to perform the teardown of a damaged vehicle for inspection. The careful disassembly of the vehicle is an important part of the collision repair process. In this step, we not only reveal and discover all the damage the vehicle has sustained, but also catalog and protect all parts and fasteners for the final reassembly at the end of the repair. Failure by the technician or repair facility to perform this task properly could result in repair delays and additional non-recoverable expenses. To perform a teardown, the technician will need to first assess the damage and review the OEM repair information. In some situations, specialized tools or techniques may be required to perform the removal of the part. In addition, some parts and fasteners may be indicated as one-time use parts or non-repairable panels. In some situations, pulls or cutting may be required to remove all the damaged components. This is often referred to as collision access time and is not an included operation in the part repair or replacement times. If required, the technician should inform the appropriate production manager or estimator before performing these operations. After any collision access time has been addressed, the technician will next remove bolted parts and/or bolted assemblies. The technician must ensure to use the correct size tools to minimize damage to the parts and bolts. Once the part is removed, inspect the part for damage thoroughly. A parts cart may be utilized to separate damaged from undamaged and reusable parts. If the part is damaged, it must be saved for inspection by the appropriate estimator and for mirror matching of replacement parts once received. If the part is undamaged and will be used in the reassembly of the vehicle, take the appropriate steps to protect while the vehicle is under repair. Regardless of part condition, all bolts should be cataloged, stored, and maintained for reassembly, unless the bolt is listed as a one-time use part by the manufacturer or estimating system. Some door handles, moldings, and trim pieces will be held with a variety of fasteners and clips. In most cases, removal of these will require specialized clip removal tools. Even with the most practiced skill and care, it is common for clips and fasteners to break in the course of removal. Reusable fasteners should be stored with the part for reassembly. Any broken fasteners should be stored for inspection and updating the estimate. If you are working in a facility that keeps an inventory of fasteners, retrieve the replacements for the ones damaged during removal and place them with the part to be reinstalled. When the vehicle has front end damage, it is not uncommon for the teardown technician to perform the removal of the vehicle cooling system and AC components. To perform these operations, specialized equipment and training is required. First, ensure the battery is disconnected from the vehicle. Next, determine the refrigerant used in the vehicle and retrieve the appropriate machine for evacuation. Once the system has been completely discharged, you are ready to remove the condenser. Remember to cap and protect all exposed lines to prevent moisture from contaminating the system. The part should be retained for inspection and stored on the appropriate parts cart. Many times it is important to retain for comparison to the replacement part ordered and matched before installation. When removing the radiator, proper care is required to capture fluids. Should any fluids spill on the floor or vehicle, they must be cleaned and the towels or absorber disposed of in the proper containers. Proper disposal of hazardous materials is a key responsibility of every technician within the shop. Ensure you are familiar with the handling and disposal policies of your repair facility. The process of vehicle teardown and retaining parts and fasteners for reassembly will vary by repair facility. It is important that your shop's chosen method is consistently followed. This will facilitate a repeatable and efficient repair process that allows for timely completion and delivery of the customer's vehicle. Thank you for watching this video and performing a vehicle teardown. For more information on the Collision Repair Education Foundation, please visit the website.